Quiet luxury, loud luxury, flashy luxury, subtle luxury, Indian luxury, American luxury, Chinese luxury, French luxury. I feel like I'm doing like rotating squares, rotating bag squares, rotating chairs, rotating squares. The bags keep flipping. They keep ending up in different spots and I keep bringing more bags here and then taking more bags back and bag flipping. That could be taken the wrong way. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mayank and I'm a fashion freak, a luxury lover, a shopaholic shit. And today we're going to be doing a discussion about something that's been widely talked about right now in the zeitgeist, in social media and things like that. Brought a lot of attention, which is quiet luxury. So we're going to talk about quiet luxury, what I think of quiet luxury, what it means. So if that's something you're interested in, please stick around. Please smash the like button. Please consider subscribing and keep on watching. Okay, and I would love to hear your thoughts as well in the comments below. So if you have any thoughts about quiet luxury or are starting to wear more quiet luxury stuff or still love your other stuff or have some quiet luxury brands that nobody knows about, please leave them in the comments below. Please, and I will join you there in the comments below. Also, new angle, because I'm looking up. I don't know if this is how this is going to look now because I usually look right there, but I'm looking up. So this is going to be fun because I don't know why it's quiet luxury is luxury items that are expensive, made of good quality, but do not have a label, a logo of the brand anywhere that can be seen. For the most part, it's just like it's an if you know, you know kind of thing. It's been featured a lot recently because of Succession and the clothes that the kids are wearing and everyone in the family is wearing. They wear a lot of clothes that are like, they look like a plain white t-shirt, they look like a plain blue t-shirt, they look like a regular jacket, regular pants, whatever like this, but it's actually like, you know, a $600 t-shirt or whatever it is. And the point is that they call it quiet luxury because you don't know what the luxury brand is unless you really know. And so it's like only making a nod to the very, like knowing luxury is making a nod to selective people in the, you know, in the community, and then or in, you know, your social circle or whatever it is. Making a quiet luxury nod is like only the people that know quiet luxury that would know that that is a blah 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 shirt for that many dollars because of the cut, because of the way, because of the, like the little one leather tab, the little one button, the little one side thing, whatever it is that indicates it without saying the logo or the name of the brand outright. It's kind of like also a way for like people of that caliber or people with that much money or whatever it is, people that shop there to like nod to each other as well and be like, oh, okay, I see you, I know you. Okay, we'll meet by the Emirates bar lounge and we'll chat. So basically it's become a lot popular, yeah, because of Succession, because of what the clothes the kids are wearing, because of what's going on in the world with like stealing and flashiness and things like that, that people are starting to wear less brandy brands or logo brands that say their logo very loudly. They opt for the TV things. And I like, people say, you know, Hermes, like they're quiet, like it's not very loud, like just there in the back, there in the back, and there in the back. But the style, the design is so widely recognizable that I don't think they are quiet luxury. Like, I don't think a Birkin is quiet luxury. Everyone knows what a Birkin looks like, or most people know it's not quiet at all. Kelly, same thing. So like, people used to say that was quiet luxury, but I don't think that's quiet luxury anymore. These unknown brands, like people are talking about Kate a lot, which I guess is an up and coming brand that people have known for a while for women. But like there are all these brands that people don't know as well, and they're calling them, and if they have good quality. So it's quiet luxury because the quality is still good. Like you're getting the same, like you're getting really good material, you're getting really good soft like cotton or whatever, soft silks and things like that, and best leathers. But yeah, it doesn't have a logo. You're still paying for the logo without the logo, if that makes sense. That the logo is showing. People are also talking about how quiet luxury is something that people aspire to, they want to, because that's what the rich do, right? The rich are quiet luxury. They don't wear labels. They don't want to, you know, everything. They're wearing yoga pants and this and that with nothing on it, but it's actually really $300 yoga pants. Mark Zuckerberg wears a white t-shirt. Jeff Bezos wears a gray t-shirt. And they're like, oh, they're just wearing a t-shirt, jeans, and like sneakers, but those are like $600 t-shirts. They're cut from the finest silks and the Italian silks or cloths or whatever like that. And they're tailored and they're perfect and this and they're that. That's what people are talking about with quiet luxury now. They're saying that the rich are the ones, like it's something you want to attain and something you want to aspire to have and build your quiet luxury collection because that's what the rich do, right? They don't have the Chanel, Gucci. But to counter that point, I think that is, and I've seen other videos about this too, but like it's very whitewashed, that view of quiet luxury is like something that white rich people do, right? It's a white rich person thing. And so they're like, just again, putting the white success for, you know, a white person, that's what you want to attain, is their kind of success. What do they look like? What do they dress like? What do they think? Like, how do they act? What bags do they carry? Things like that. In all other parts of the world, if you go to India, everyone was wearing label head to toe. The richest rich are wearing, you know, Louis Vuitton bag, Louis Vuitton shirt, Louis Vuitton this, Louis Vuitton that, Gucci. They're very decked out. China, Asia, and like Japan, you know, like all the countries in Asia, very decked out. It's always label. I too, Indian, also label, usually. But so like, I think that that's a very narrow-minded view to say that it's what rich people wear. It's what the rich wear because it's the white rich that wear it. And that's why it's quiet luxury. But I think there's also something to be said for loud luxury that is very popular in all of these countries. Oh, so like quiet luxury brands that people are talking about right now are Bruno Cucinelli, Loro Piana, things like that. But like they've been mentioned so many times now that like everybody knows what Loro Piana is, everybody knows Brunello Cucinelli is. So I think that they're like not even quiet luxury anymore. I feel like it's like they have become luxury because of all of this social media buzz. They've become like in the zeitgeist, in the world of fashion that everybody is like rolling off their tongue almost. Same thing with like Goyard now, like for bags, like it used to be not very well known. Now it's like everybody knows what it is. Everyone has one. Everyone or aspires to have one. You see them on the streets. When it was a brand that people didn't know at all. It was very much quiet luxury at the time, back in the day. But also like all of these brands like Gucci, Louis Vuitton, whatever, all these designer brands, they have like tiers or like lines and stuff like that too. So like their entry level line of clothes, of shoes, of bags, of everything is something that is the canvas bags, right? With the loud LV or the damier print. The LV shirts with the Louis Vuitton or the LV in big letters. The Louis Vuitton bags with the LV big on the front. The shoes with the big LV. Like it's just their entry level is very flashy. Same with Gucci. It says Gucci everywhere on all of their entry level things. And that's because Gucci and Louis Vuitton are not actually targeting rich people. They're targeting people aspiring to be rich or working class people to want to buy something from Louis Vuitton or Gucci and be like, oh, I've made it, or oh, I spent my money on something that the rich people buy. I spent some of my money on something that is like supposed to be expensive. But this is another, and it's generalization too, because like I said, people in India do wear Gucci. But for the most part, they have Gucci and Louis Vuitton and all these brands have another line for their clients that is much more expensive. So it's like the barrier to entry, that price point is way higher. The $200 shirt for Louis Vuitton, it's like $1,000 for the a plain shirt. So, but it's still the finest materials, best quality, and that line is for their like ultra VIP clients. And it says Louis Vuitton or it says Gucci, but it's just on the inside tag. You don't see it anywhere else. So it looks like a plain t-shirt. But then again, it's if you know, you know. And that's who they target their more expensive lines too. The Louis Vuitton line, that's like their exclusive line. Because those people don't want to be wearing that shirt because their VIP clients don't want to be wearing that shirt that everyone has, right? You can see you in every corner. Louis Vuitton bag is the most copied bag, is the most like recognizable bag in the world, I think. And also like a lot of like most of their revenue comes from their VIP clients that are buying 10 bags a year, 20 bags a year, that are buying a bunch of these expensive things, the weird furnitures, the pool table, the you know, whatever, the golf, like the custom made stuff. And again, this is not just from Louis Vuitton. Like Louis Vuitton has it. Gucci just opened up a VIP only store in the US in LA on Melrose Place, I want to say. And it's like you can't go in. You can only have an appointment to go in. You have to have an appointment. You can only be able to schedule an appointment if you're a VIP client of Gucci, which I think you have to have a certain spending limit or whatever it is. So you can't even go to the store unless you have. So like making it more exclusive, and it's all tailor-made, ready, like bespoke, like ready-made stuff. So that's another thing that people are doing now to be like a little more unique, because that's what like they want to have the nice stuff and they want it to be unique. Also, like their VIP clients are now, because their VIP clients are the majority payers of the stuff that they buy, because they buy the higher expensive items and they buy a lot of it. So it's like, that's just one 50,000 pool table is, you know, that's $1,000 bags, like their entry level bag, right? I think I did that math right. But if I didn't, you get what I'm saying. And so they want to cater more towards their VIP clients. So they're starting to cater more towards them. Also because, and they want to cater their clients because their VIP clients keep saying, or their VIP clients have been saying like, I don't want to wear this brand anymore. It's like everyone has it. I see it everywhere I go. Why would I want to wear this? Why would I buy another bag? So they're bringing these higher level, better quality, less logo-y, harder to get items for their rich clients. And then they're also doing these made to order, one of a kind kind of things, and you know, one of a kind of bags and things like that. Those are all part of it too, because their clients don't want to keep buying it if they're going to see everyone else with it. And that's why also, like, for example, again, Louis Vuitton, I know I'm doing a lot of Louis Vuitton, but Louis Vuitton raised their prices again to the point where their entry-level bag is now over $1,000 because they want it to be over that threshold, so a lot of people can't get it. Because Louis Vuitton used to be a store that everyone can go in and get one thing. They get one wallet on chain. They get one wallet, they get one key ring holder, one zip pouch thing, one Neverfull, one this, one that. But Louis Vuitton has realized that the majority of those people just buy the one thing, maybe once a year, maybe once every other, or so many accounts with just one bag on it, and they don't want to cater to those people. I mean, I don't know if we're true. I'm assuming about it. So like, I don't know what they actually said, but it's like the idea is that basically Louis Vuitton execs were saying, you know, we want to not cater to that kind of client anymore. We don't have one person come in and spend hours shopping, blah, 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 you know, come back, blah, 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 pick out all these different things and pick one bag and then come in 100 times to repair that one bag, but never spend any money again. Basically, they want to have people keep spending money. And who spends the most money? Their VIP clients. They want their VIP clients to be happy. So they're starting to raise the threshold so that not every, you know, Tom, Dick, and Harry or whatever, every person has a Louis Vuitton bag. You can't just walk in and get the one you want because now it's higher. But yeah, a lot of people just have one Louis Vuitton bag and they just, or one Gucci bag, or one Goyard bag, or one Hermes bag, or one Chanel bag, right? And they keep going in and getting repairs. They keep going in, which is fine. They should, totally should. That is the product and that is the service, and it's a luxury brand, right? But it's not, in terms of the luxury brand's perspective, it's not profitable. It's not, it doesn't help. Like it doesn't make good business sense to be, you know, so like that they're starting to be a little more dismissive to newer clients or clients that don't have anything. When you check in, they pull up your name and at least in the US, right on the top left of their little screen, is how much money you've spent. So they already know like what level you're in of spending. I think they also have a color coordinated system by the prices too. Oh, you want to open any one of their phones, just go like a V on the bottom on the dots and that'll open their phone if you ever wanted to. Shh, in here. Yeah, so I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you guys think that quiet luxury is this thing that's here to stay? Also, I'm really, like, if quiet luxury becomes very prominent, I'm very, like, I have spent so much money on flash luxury. I mean, this is, like, quiet-ish, but, like, I love all my flash. I mean, this is so flash. This is so flash. This is so flash. These, I think, are still flash. You know, that's not quiet luxury, but what do you guys think? Do you guys have quiet luxury pieces? What do you like about them? What do you don't like about them? The material, the clothing, Loro Piana, Brunello Cucinelli, whatever you have. I would love to hear in the comments below what you have and what you think. Do you like the quiet luxury movement? Do you think it's a crazy thing? Do you think it's weird that we are attaching this like success and everything like that to quiet luxury, succession and success, and like, you know, being rich in America or whatever, to quiet luxury, when there are plenty of people around the world who are not wearing quiet luxury and they're happy? At the end of the day, I think like whether you want to wear quiet luxury or you want to wear loud luxury, as long as you're comfortable in it and makes you happy and you feel good about yourself and you feel confident, then that's all that matters. Like, who cares what other people think? Who cares how it's going to come off to people if you're wearing head to toe brands? If that's what makes you happy, then wear head to toe brands. I will say when I do wear head to toe brands, sometimes it gets awkward because you're like wearing something like that and somebody's like, oh, Chanel, or like, ooh, and it's like, there's no ever really good response to like when they ask you questions about like, acknowledges your nice things that most people don't have. There's no like a genuine nice response usually. It's like, it's always going to come off a little like either dismissive or condescending. In my opinion, maybe I'm overthinking that, I don't know. Anyway, no matter what other people are saying, don't follow the trends of whatever. Like if it makes you feel good, it makes you feel happy and you're going to wear it and you're going to use it and you're going to love it, buy it, right? Because that's what's most important. Because if it makes you happy and you wear it, then wear it. It makes you happy, right? And you use it. So you use it, you wear it, you use it, makes you happy, right? Also, money can't buy class and style, right? Like there's some people with lots of money that can get the most expensive things and they have no way of how to put them together, how, like, they're not stylish, they don't have class, they don't have anything like that. And there are people with a lot of class who go to Uniqlo, or who go to like Target and make something out of like, or the thrift store, make something out of nothing and makes it look so elegant and nice. So like whatever works for you, right? There is quiet luxury also in like non-luxury, so like just quiet clothes, quiet affordableism, quiet affordables. You do you. Whatever makes you happy. Anyway, I don't know. I want to know what you guys think about this video. What are your thoughts? What do you think? What do you think is quiet luxury here to stay? Do you want it to stay? Do you want a return to the glorious gods of old? So that's all I got. Love to hear you guys. I will see you guys in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash that like button. Please share with your friends and family. If you hated it, share with your enemies and exes. I know your time is valuable. I know your time is precious. So I appreciate you spending your time here with me. Thanks. Bye.